Hi there, I'm with my friends Victoria and Ian. And Ian, you said you found something. What was it?
I found something that was white, looked very much like a mushroom with a white top.
Such an excellent taxonomic description. Let's dive a little deeper. This is actually a mushroom that used to be called Leucoagaricus naucina. Now it's known as Leucoagaricus leucothites. It is an edible mushroom, but this is one that we're very cautious in recommending to amateurs. We like you folks, but we don't want you to make any mistakes because this could be confused with an Amanita. Okay? It's white spored, and it's got a ring, and it's got a bulbous base. Doesn't have a cup, but not all Amanitas have cups. And so you really want to be careful with this. But it grows in the yard here. This is a very vast mycelial mat. In fact, your entire yard has this underground network of mycelium, because they're popping up all over the place. So this is a very good one for the ecosystem. And it is a mushroom that I have not seen in a few years now, but this is a delightful fruiting of it. And once you have this mushroom, you will have it probably for the rest of your life, because you're cutting your grass, you're replenishing the nutrients, it's decomposing, and it's a great species to have. So I'm delighted to see it again. Have you had it here before?
No, this is the first time.
Yeah. Well,
but thank you for your explanation. That's exactly what I thought it was.
Great. Leucoagaricus leucothites. Can you say that? Leucoagaricus leucothites.
Leucoagaricus.
You nailed it.